Welcome to the Paint app. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through creating your very first client. On the side menu, you'll find an option labeled Clients. Once you're on the Client page, you'll notice two client type options, Individual and Business. Let's create an individual type client. Select that option, and you'll see a plus button at the bottom right. Click on that plus button. A form will appear where you can enter the client's information, such as first name, last name, and birthday. The birthday field is particularly useful if you want to send a birthday note, a special deal, or anything similar. Just choose a date and then enter the client's email and phone number. Next, add the address and any notes. The notes section is great for jotting down anything to help you remember details about the client or their preferences. Once you've completed the form, simply click on Create Client. You will receive a success message, and just like that, your first client is created. Thank you for following along.